across governments and different departments and ministries. What's your best sense about the factors at play? And we're not going to get specific about who's getting what because frankly even the ministers don't know. But what's your sense of the factors at play when the governments and the Prime Minister is thinking about this cabinet reshuffle? Rahul.
Rahul, the foremost reason why Prime Minister Narendra Modi will like to go for a correction, one, as Rajdeep said, the timing. It's a safe time. The second element is that the Prime Minister, an astute politician, has got enough feedback over the last 2 months that the BJP, the NDA government's image has taken a beating. Now, in case there is the administrative acumen of a government is under challenge, say for example the Health Ministry, Dr. Harshvardhan's ministry not really predicting or preempting the ferocity, if not the second wave. The vaccination crisis just 1 month back when the Prime Minister took charge of the entire exercise. Before that, in April, he had to sit down and ensure that every oxygen cylinder moved from one point to another. There were ventilators coming in. So he had to get in. Now, that's where the Prime Minister would like to do is that if you compare it to 2019 and 2014, he changed virtually 50% of his ministry. So he may not do big bang jobs, as Rajdeep is saying, but he is very conscious that as far as the administrative image and the delivery image of his government is concerned, he's very conscious of that. And that is why, instead of springing a surprise by not doing it or doing it, he may actually create a lot of surprises within the Council of Minister changes. That's where lies perhaps the catch. What we are being told that both as an administrative rejig and also a political footprint improvement as far as the 5 elections which are going to be held, because they are crucial elections because of 2024. And that's why both for administrative and political reasons, the Prime Minister may go in for a midterm change.
You know, there are multiple ministers who hold more than one portfolio. For example, Hardeep Singh Puri, Housing and Urban Affairs, Civil Aviation and MOS for Commerce and Industry. Narendra Singh Tomar, Agriculture Minister and in charge of Farmers' Welfare, Rural Development, Panchayati Raj, Food Processing too. Piyush Goyal, Railways, Commerce and Industry, Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. Someone like Prakash Javadekar, Information Broadcasting, Environment, Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises. Ravi Shankar Prasad, Law, Telecommunications, Electronics and Information Technology. So there are ministers who for various reasons, some in NDA allies having left, some unfortunate deaths, have more on their plate than would ordinarily be expected, and therefore some tweaks can be expected. What those tweaks will be, we don't know, but some tweaks are likely when this reshuffle does happen.